Hello everyone, my name is Engineer Taiwo. In this video, I will be teaching you power in AC systems. There are three power present in an AC system. These three powers are the true power, which is represented with P. Another name for true power is active power, or you call it a genuine power. This is the type of power that is needed to supply the resistive load, or you can say this type of power is the power that is dissipated by the load. It is measured in watts, and also it is commonly expressed in kilowatt or megawatt. It is represented with letter P. Second type of power that we have in an AC system is reactive power. Reactive power is that type of power that is absorbed or returned by the load. Not that alone, for reactive power, it is otherwise known as a non-active power. This type of power is produced by inductive and capacitive load. It means this type of power is a wasted power. It is calculated in volt ampere reactive, VAR. Also, the third type of power that we have in an AC system is apparent power. This is the total power in an AC circuit. It is measured in VA. This means that this type of power is the total power, that is, it combines both the power dissipated and the power absorbed or returned. There are three power. As I've said, this is the true power, reactive power, and apparent power in an AC circuit. These three types of power are related by a triangle called power triangle. In power triangle, we have a triangle called the right angle triangle. This is the triangle now. You can see the hypotenuse there being represented by the apparent power, kVA, and the adjacent is represented by the real power, kilowatt. Then the third power, which is reactive power, is represented at the opposite side. Now, if we apply the trigonometry ratio, so K2 to this, we can get a relationship for each of these type of power. Now, let's start with the first one. From this, we can derive this expression for the true power, the reactive power, and the apparent power. The true power, P, is equals to V times I times cos phi, where that cos phi is the power factor. Then it is measured, the true power is measured in watts. Reactive power, Q, is equals to V multiplied by I sin phi, and it is measured in reactive volt ampere. Also, the apparent power, S, is equals to V times I, which is measured in volt ampere. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to Josiah Education Engineering Education.